Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz here. This video serves as our lesson for this afternoon, and it's Friday. What is it, September 24th. I am heading to Butte here in just a minute to watch my daughter run in a cross-country race. She runs at 1 o'clock, so I'm going to miss our afternoon sessions. That's my daughter. See, I've got a little button with her picture on it. She's, so she's running, and it's going to be a great day to watch a race. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Butte. Here's what you're going to do. I'm going to make a list of everything you need to do today. And some of you will already have completed some of these things on the list. If you haven't, that's your to-do list for today. So math and science today could take you 20 minutes, or it could take you an hour and 20 minutes. It kind of depends on where you're at in your progress. All right, so let's start with math. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my screen, okay? So here we go. Maybe. Okay, that's where I want to be. All right. Okay, so for math, go ahead and write down that you should be through 1.1 and 1.2 in whatever grade you're in. It doesn't matter what grade you're in. Now, if you have not done your 1.1 superset, I still want you to go on to 1.2, and we'll do both of those supersets together because we've got to get you guys going if you haven't done that yet. So your job today is to get through 1.1 and 1.2 of the math. Now, some of you are beyond that. If you're beyond that, great. Then you're done with math and you can sort of check that off. All right. Science. You should have completed and uploaded your CER presentation. That's uploaded to the Padlet. And if you can't remember where that is found, go back to your email and search emails from me where I say link to Padlet in the subject line. You should also have completed, and I think most of you have at this point, the independent dependent variable quiz. I sent an email to those of you that hadn't turned that in yet, and I think I got most of them. So if you haven't yet turned that in, put that on your list. The other quiz that you need to complete today is your science notebook quiz, and it actually has today's date on it, the science notebook quiz. I shared it with you in your email. It's a Google form. It's like teal colored Google form. It's 5 questions. You are to use your science notebook to answer those questions. I don't expect you to have it memorized. You actually use your science notebook to answer the questions. It'll say what's on, it'll ask a question about page 2, and then it'll ask a question about page 3, etc. All right. And the last thing I want to talk about is something that you can start working on, and that is a studio assignment for science. And I'm gonna, in just a second, as soon as you guys get this copied down, I'm gonna change my screen here and show you where to go so that you can get started on that. That studio assignment is due next Friday. And you guys, next Friday is actually October 1st already, which is crazy. I think we're gonna be having a little birthday party at Wilson that morning. Friday, October 1st. So, are you ready? Then I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to go to my Canvas. I'm in my Canvas right now. All right, so I'm going to go to Science, and let's say I'm a 7th grader. It doesn't matter right now. They're all the same. That's going to change in about 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks, actually. But anyway, you're going to go down to Science Notebook Evaluation. So really quickly, a couple things. The independent versus dependent variable quiz is here, if that's on your list. If you see on PowerSchool that you didn't do so hot on that and you want to retake it, you can retake it. You can watch this video to relearn, and then you can retake it right here. This is the Science Notebook quiz I was just referring to that you got emailed to you in a Google form. And then lastly, right here is what I'm about to talk about. This is the Science Notebook Evaluation. So this will be next Friday. This is a big notebook grade where you are going to show me, essentially, your notebook. And so right here, it says self-evaluation via Studio. You're going to create a webcast via Studio. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. In your webcast, you're going to tell me and show me each of these components. So first you're going to say, I believe I've earned the following. In terms of table of contents, page numbers, dates, and headings, I have earned a 3. Because as you can see, I have my table of contents filled out. I have page numbers on every page. I have headings on every page in my notebook, and then I'll show you. All my notebook pages have dates at the top right-hand corner, or the top outer corner, and I have I think I already said my page headings. All right, so I believe I've earned a 3. In neatness and organization, I think I have earned 2.5. I think that sometimes my notebook is a little scattered, and my handwriting is a little bit hard to read in places. So in terms of neatness, organization, readability, and appropriate color, I think I could have done a better job on that. In terms of completeness, number 3, I think I've earned a 3 because I have everything complete up to page 5, and that's where everything ends in our notebook so far. And then in terms of effort, I think I also deserve a 3 because I have kept up on my notebook. Everything is completed, and I haven't missed any big components. The page I'm most proud of is the page where I sketched this leaf because I actually like how this sketch turned out. But my goal for my science notebook for the next 5 entries, we're going to be looking at your science notebook for every 5 entries. My goal for the next 5 entries is going to be to slow down a little bit when I'm writing so that I can better read my work and my notes so that it's easier to find things when I look back. All right? That I just did for you guys is an example of a webcast. Now, you're not going to do it on Screencast. You're going to do it on Studio. So let's see if I can scoot this over. There we go. Go down on the left-hand side. You don't have all the blue words that I have, but you should still have Studio. You're going to hit Studio, and when you're in Studio, now I'm going to move this over a little bit. Yeah, there we go. When you're in Studio, you can go up to where it says Record. I'm not going to do it because it's going to kick me out of this recording, but then you can record a webcam video. That's one of your options. You have a screencast option and a webcam option. You're going to record a webcam option so that I can see you and I can see everything you're showing me in your notebook. That is your evidence for your score. And so you're going to work on creating one of those studio videos. It might take you a few tries, so you have from now until next Friday to get that completed. Some of you, I know, because I've recently updated PowerSchool, I know you're ready to work on that today. And I know that because you have the CER turned in, you've done your independent and dependent variable quiz, you've done your science notebook quiz, and you are even through 1.2 in math. Those students that I'm thinking of, a good chunk of you actually, you should be ready to start this studio assignment. And again, all it is, you guys, is going through this self-evaluation rubric, this self-evaluation little tool here and talking through it. Now, I know I'm going to get the question, Miss Lorenz, do we have to turn this in? Do we have to go up here and make a copy and turn it into you? No, I don't want you to do that. Every single one of these questions that you see right here, you guys, you should be answering in a webcast. So in front of your webcam, showing me your notebook and talking through those pieces. Now, if you're not feeling awesome about your notebook, that's okay, you guys. We still have a few weeks to go before we check our notebooks again. So please don't stress about it. That piece about your goal for your science notebook improvement, that's a real question. I want to see that you are being thoughtful in terms of what you would like to get better at. All right. So I'm going to pop back over really quickly to just to our to-do list so you guys are all clear. One more time. There it is. So again, math 1.1, 1.2, science, the CER. Make sure you post it to our class Padlet. The independent dependent variable quiz, your science notebook quiz, and then you can start the studio assignment. This is not due today. It's due next Friday. But if you get to the point where you can finish that today, that's awesome. All right, I'm going to sign off so I don't run out of time on this screencast. Thanks for listening, everybody, and I will see you on Tuesday. So I'm not going to see you on Monday because Monday is a PIR day. You guys do not have school on Monday. So I will see you on Tuesday. All right, bye, everybody.